pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers, cheap Hapeville local, and long-distance movers near me. Whether it falls within state lines or cut across state lines, a long-distance relocation exceeds 50 miles. No matter the type of long-distance relocation, you should hire our services. We have experience and expertise on our side. Our movers are experienced, able to handle and manage the tedious and arduous nature of long-distance relocations. They will ensure that you are comfortable throughout your trip. With such people by your side, you can be assured of a fantastic relocation. We are affordable, but that does not mean we offer less than quality services. With 3 men in a truck, you can be sure that we will provide you with value for your money. We have a blossoming relationship with the authorities in charge of the moving process that serves us greatly, especially in terms of security. We also have insurance in place to secure our clients' interests from any risks incurred during and after the relocation. With our committed drivers, you can rest assured knowing your belongings are in safe hands. Local relocations are not as expensive as long-distance relocations, and they are not as complex. We charge $30 to $40 every hour for local relocations. We have licensed movers who are dedicated to ensuring that you experience only the best. Even through bustling cities, you can be sure that we will pull through. Ask around. We are the best local movers in Hapeville. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Hapeville moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.